If you're feeling a bit confused by the recent changes to real estate, you're not alone. One of the most significant changes is a requirement for buyers to sign a representation agreement before viewing properties. However, you can still attend open houses without signing a formal agreement. Come on by to our open house tomorrow, Sunday, September 1st, 1 to 4. It's a modern 4-bedroom, 3-bath home in the newly 2021 built community in Carlsbad. You will love the custom upgraded patio featuring built-in seating around a cozy fire pit, premium grill, a griddle, and attractive tile flooring. On the main level, you will find an open concept design connecting the living area and kitchen, along with a bedroom and bathroom. Upstairs are 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms featuring custom California closets, plantation shutters throughout, own solar, Ring doorbell, tankless water heater, water softener, reverse osmosis, and EV charger. 2 laundry hookups, 1 upstairs and in the garage. Residents can enjoy the resort-style heated pool, spa, outdoor showers, barbecue area, playground, and RV parking. Zoned for Aviara Oaks Elementary and Middle School, but you can transfer to other schools within Carlsbad School District if there's space. Before making an offer on a property, you will need a buyer's representation agreement, which outlines the relationship between you and your agent. Many sellers are willing to offer closing cost concessions as an incentive for buyers. These concessions can be used to offset agent fees and other closing costs. By understanding the new practice changes, you will be better able to navigate the buying process and secure a great deal. To learn more about this property, DM, call, or text me at 760-472-3302.